स्वमातुः स्विन्नगात्राय विस्रस्तकबरस्रज दृष्ट्वा परिश्रमं कृष्णः कृपयासीत् स्वबन्धने. This shloka comes as a part of Damodar Leela in the 10th canto of Srimad Bhagavatam, the 9th chapter. Once Mother Yashoda wanted to bind Krishna because Krishna did lot of mischief in her house. He broke pot, he distributed butter to the monkeys, and he ran away outside. Mother Yashoda was chasing Krishna, trying to catch Krishna, to discipline Krishna out of her intense parental love and affection. So Mother Yashoda finally caught Krishna and she wanted to bind Krishna to a wooden grinding mortar. In this context, Sukadeva Goswami speaks this beautiful shloka. When Mother Yashoda was trying to bind Krishna, she got a rope and bound Krishna, but that rope fell 2 fingers short. And she joined another rope to that rope, and again the new rope, the combined rope, also fell 2 fingers too short. So like that, Mother Yashoda joined hundreds of ropes, still she was unable to bind Krishna. It was always short. So in this context, Sukadeva Goswami says, Swamatuhu svinnagatraya visrasta kabarasrajaha. Swamatuhu, Krishna has observed his own mother. Oh, my mother is endeavoring so much to bind me, to discipline me, to serve me. So Krishna became very merciful upon his mother. Mother Yashoda was perspiring and she was getting tired. Already she was tired by churning butter and by chasing Krishna and trying to catch Krishna, and now trying to bind Krishna also was increasing her fatigue. So seeing her hard labor, Krishna became very merciful. Swamatuhu svinnagatraya visrasta kabarasrajaha. And the flowers that Mother Yashoda was wearing on her head, in her hairs, so they were falling off. Of course, the flowers were falling off for various reasons. Some acharyas say that Mother Yashoda is such an exalted devotee, and when Mother Yashoda was trying to catch Krishna, the flowers were thinking, oh, she is such an exalted devotee, we are not qualified to be on her head, we have to be at her feet. So some malati flowers just fell down at her feet. And some flowers thought that Mother Yashoda is trying to serve Krishna and she was trying to bind Krishna, and we do not want to be a part of this conspiracy. So they fell down. And some other flowers were thinking that Mother Yashoda was trying to catch Krishna and we are staying on her head, increasing her weight. If we fall off, she can easily, effortlessly catch Krishna. So with that intent, some flowers were falling. So flowers are also conscious in the spiritual world. They also have service attitude towards Krishna and his devotees. So in this context, Mother Yashoda was trying to bind Krishna. Her flowers were falling off from her hairs, and Krishna became very kind towards mother. Swamatuhu svinnagatraya visrasta kabarasrajaha drishtva parishramam Krishna. Parishrama means hard labor that a devotee does to render service to Krishna. Here Mother Yashoda is doing hard labor to serve Krishna. Any devotee in his service to Krishna would also render some hard labor and hard work. And Krishna sees that. Drishtva parishramam Krishna. Kripaya. Whenever Krishna sees the hard labor of his devotees, he will develop mercy. Kripaya. Kripaya asit svabandhane. Krishna agreed to be bound by Mother Yashoda. He sanctioned. Oh Yashoda, are you desiring to bind me? Seeing your hard labor, I sanction it. So Mother Yashoda could easily bind Krishna. So to achieve success in our devotional service, we need 2 things. Our sincere endeavor. Second, Krishna's mercy. Krishna's grace is very much important, not just our endeavors. Endeavors are important, that will inspire Krishna to give us mercy, and mercy is also needed. Our own accomplishment, our own endeavors are not sufficient. So for our advancement in devotional service, we have to try hard and we have to expect Krishna's mercy. The combination of devotees' effort and Krishna's mercy will bring about success in our devotional endeavors. Hare Krishna.
For more such devotional programs, please watch Hare Krishna Television. To get this channel, please contact your cable or DTH operator. For more information, please call 8767 845 845.